My color is green and fresh, and I am always full of juice. Inside, I am red and sweet, and after quenching your thirst, I check how you are doing. So tell me, who am I? If you don't know the answer to this riddle, let me tell you. We are talking about watermelon, which is sweet and full of juice. Now, without wasting time, let's understand how watermelon benefits our body in the summer season. First benefit: watermelon helps keep the body hydrated. In summer, because of dehydration, problems like tiredness, muscle cramps, and headache starts happening. But watermelon contains about 92% of water, which saves the body from dehydration. Not only that, watermelon has electrolytes like potassium and magnesium, which help maintain the water balance in the body. When you eat watermelon, your body gets energy back and your thirst goes away. The water, minerals, and natural sugar in watermelon together help the body recover faster. That's why eating watermelon in summer is always advised so the body stays fresh and cool. Second benefit: watermelon helps maintain a healthy weight. If you want to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, watermelon is a great option for you. The reason is it has very few calories, so eating it does not increase weight. Watermelon also contains a small amount of fiber which keeps you full for longer. It has essential nutrients like vitamin A, C, and potassium, which helps keep your metabolism steady. Third benefit: watermelon protects from diseases. Eating watermelon can reduce the risk of many diseases. The reason is the antioxidants in it like lycopene and vitamin C. Watermelon contains the highest amount of lycopene, even more than tomatoes. Lycopene protects the body's cells from damage and reduces inflammation. It also has an amino acid called citrulline, which makes nitric oxide in the body. This keeps blood vessels relaxed and helps control blood pressure. That's why eating watermelon can lower the risk of heart disease, diabetes, obesity, and cancer. Fourth benefit: watermelon is good for eye health. Watermelon contains nutrients that improve eye health. The vitamin A in it keeps the cornea of the eye healthy. It has antioxidants that can stop cataracts from forming. Watermelon can also reduce the risk of macular degeneration that comes with age. So if you want to keep your eyes healthy for a long time, eating watermelon in summer is a good option. Fifth benefit: watermelon boosts the immune system. Watermelon has a good amount of vitamin C, also known as ascorbic acid. It strengthens the body's immune system, which helps fight diseases. Vitamin C helps fight infections and bacteria. It also helps heal wounds and repair body cells faster. Along with this, potassium and vitamin B6 in watermelon also improve the immune system. So if you want to avoid illnesses, eat watermelon every day in summer. Now let's see, can eating watermelon ever be harmful? Generally, eating watermelon is safe, but some people may face problems. If you have migraines, an amino acid called tyramine in watermelon can trigger it. People who are allergic to grass or ragweed pollen may have breathing problems or swelling after eating watermelon. People with diabetes should also eat watermelon in limited amounts because it contains natural sugars. People with IBS or digestion issues may get constipation, gas, or diarrhea after eating it. So, these were the benefits and side effects of watermelon. And yes, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.